To laugh at the absurdities of life and in the face of pain, you have to at least be looking at the absurdity and looking at the pain. Do you know what I mean? So it's a good thing, you know. Not that you're saying it's anything but I think we do. We have, whether we admit it or not. I'm not saying that we're preoccupied with it, but you know, we're known for our funerals, not just our weddings.
Well,
do you know what I mean?
There's an interesting thing about that, though, because a lot of this has to do with expression and male inability to express feelings, which doesn't really exist in this film. Yeah. Love you back. And it's like, it doesn't really exist in this thing, but it does actually allow the dark side, it allows you to confront the dark side. In a way, the funerals we go and you talk about a fella's life and you laugh a lot. But also there's real grieving and catharsis because you're facing it.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's not necessarily that the humour is dark.
Yeah.
It's that this whole thing is ludicrous, but at least it's faced.
Right, let's talk about the on-screen chemistry between the two of you.
We have a good friendship off, but that doesn't guarantee an awful lot, other than the fact that
nice lunch break.
Nice lunch breaks.
That's all that guarantees.
That's all it guarantees. But we had 3 weeks rehearsal to get the obstructions out of the way. We understood where we were going with it. So you know when you go down a particular route, if something happens in a take, that Colin or any of the rest of the cast, in fact, are right there with you. You're going down the hill in the same toboggan, and whatever way it takes, you can go there. So it has something to do with that freedom, doesn't it?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, and to be able to work with people and have almost a sense of comfort in your uncertainty, where you're not trying to, because for me a big part of the whole process of doing this job for a living and all is there's massive amounts of uncertainty, man. I mean it. And so to not have to waste energy hiding that uncertainty and to be able to go in and say, I have no clue what we're doing, but I'm glad we're all here trying to figure it out together, and feel that simpatico with everyone else. And that's what day one of rehearsal, we had a 3-week rehearsal period on this and on In Bruges, and that's a luxury as well, you never get in film. Martin insists on that.